Good morning, VCMS. This is Mrs. Black with a few words of wisdom. There's an old Italian proverb, "Who seeks a quarrel will find it near at hand." In other words, if you are itching to fight, the chances are very good that you'll find someone to fight with, probably someone close at hand. But before someone gets hurt and you do something you wish you hadn't, hold on a minute. The next time you are tempted to hit somebody, stop. Take a deep breath. Then take another deep breath. Then go hit a pillow, or take a walk, or slam dunk a basketball, or stand in a closet and scream. After you calm down a little, find someone to talk to, a counselor, a teacher, a friend, and get to the cause of your anger. Remember, if you're looking for a fight, you're sure to find one, and there's nothing cool about being a hothead. With something to think about, this is Mrs. Black. Make it a great day, or not, the choice is yours.